Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada on the Las Vegas Strip. We're in an area called City Center, and in the back of City Center is a beautiful hotel and casino called Aria, and that's what we're going to check out today. Aria consists of two curved glass and steel high-rise towers adjoined at the center. It opened on December 16, 2009 as part of a joint venture between MGM Resorts International and Infinity World Development. It is owned by the Blackstone Group and operated by MGM Resorts International. At 4 million square feet and 600 feet in height, it's the largest and tallest structure at City Center. And I'm going to throw some numbers at you here in case you're interested. The resort's 61 and 51-story towers contain a AAA 5-diamond hotel with 4,004 guest rooms and suites, 16 restaurants, 10 bars and nightclubs, and a casino with 150,000 square feet of gaming space. Popular Mechanics described Aria as the most technologically advanced hotel ever built. Among the most notable aspects of Aria is its incorporation of technology into the exterior and interior design of the hotel, specifically for the reduction of energy consumption. It is the largest hotel in the world to have earned LEED Gold certification on account of its smart rooms, which automatically adjust curtains, turn off unused lights and electronics, and regulate the temperature when a guest enters or leaves the room. I guess we can say this is one beautiful and smart hotel. So what do you say we walk around this place and give it a good look over, shall we? This beautiful restaurant and photo opportunity, for that matter, is called Catch. It's the only location to bring epic renditions of Asian-influenced sushi, seafood, and steak. Before that, we saw Julian Serrano's Tapas restaurant, small plates loading guest palates with delectable interpretations of his native Spanish fare. This is the lobby bar right off the front desk area, and when the mood strikes, it's time to unwind with a mouth-watering cocktail at the lobby bar. They usually have a piano player here in the evening. There's no one here, maybe they're on break, but it's really a cool place to hang out. This is Din Tai Fung, located right off the casino. It's the go-to dining destination for steamed dumplings and noodles. Here we have Lift Bar, which is very purple, the color that inspires many of the signature cocktails featured in this relaxed setting at the edge of Aria's gaming floor. This is the Aria Patisserie. At Aria Patisserie, everything you crave is handcrafted daily with the freshest seasonal ingredients. Hold on tight! Downstairs here is the Jewel Nightclub at Aria, and the website says visit Jewel Nightclub and subscribe to be the first to know everything. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Cray Cray the Crawfish in two of my very older New Orleans videos. We have Audubon Park as well as Esplanade Avenue. Very nice videos on New Orleans. If you haven't seen any of my New Orleans videos, I suggest you check them out. It's a really beautiful city. So congratulations, Wise Malik. As well as a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarissa Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video from just yesterday. The Ocean Casino and Resort Room Pool Tour, as well as the slot pool. Congratulations, Deborah Camacho and Wise Malik. This large Buddha is at one of the many entrances here to the Aria Hotel and Casino, and you rub its belly, of course, for good luck. Lots of people leaving dollar bills and chips on it as well. I can't tell you how many times I walked down the Las Vegas Strip and my belly was rubbed. It's so embarrassing. Hey, if you're digging the video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time there's a new post in the community room or a new video is uploaded to the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Did I mention my goal is 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year? Well, it is, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you're enjoying the videos, why not subscribe today? I'd really appreciate it. This is the Salt and Ivy Cafe and Patio Bar. It provides a casual dining experience with indoor and outdoor seating. The pool is right behind the Salt and Ivy Cafe here. You can't really see it because it's nighttime, but again, the Salt and Ivy is both indoors and outdoors by poolside. There's a few very nice restaurants at the area here in this area, and the first one is Bardo Brasserie. Prepare to be reintroduced to classic French cuisine with a twist only Chef Michael Mina could bring. This is Jean-Georges Steakhouse, 3 different types of beef from around the world, dozens of cuts, and a selection of seafood and unique sides that would put any fish house to shame. Jean-Georges Steakhouse has something for everyone as long as everyone's looking for the best of the best. And this is Carbone, which pays homage to the Italian-American restaurants of the mid-20th century in an era of glamour, showmanship, and tableside service. You know, I've seen surveys where they ask chefs from around Las Vegas, if you could eat one meal in Las Vegas, where would it be? And lots of the chefs mention Carbone. It showcases elevated classics such as lobster fra diavolo, chicken scapariello, veal parmesan, and octopus pizzaiolo. This is Blossom. Blossom delivers the triumphs of Chinese cuisine. And this is Lemongrass, serving a modern interpretation of Thai cuisine. This is Alibi Ultra Lounge. It celebrates the perfect convergence of premium spirits, imaginative ingredients, and highly stylized opulence. I'm not sure what all that means, but I'm down for it. Sorry, Alibi is really dark and that's the best I can do. We just passed the poker room here at Aria, and now we're heading towards Posh Burger. It's been here not too long. I remember another burger place being here, and quite honestly, I don't remember its name. It was part of a burger challenge, and it was at the very bottom of the list. It was horrible, which is, I guess is why they're not around here anymore. But next time I'm in town, I'm going to give Posh Burger a try and see what they're all about. If you get a chance, visit the New York store. The link is in the description below. I've noticed several of you just in the past 2 weeks have ordered t-shirts and caps and things, and I really appreciate that. It does help support the channel, so thanks a lot. If you're interested in finding out what the store sells, just click on the link in the description below. This is Javier's. You'll find all the makings of a memorable Mexican meal at Javier's with unique architectural elements like a spectacularly detailed chainsaw wood carving with an Aztec motif. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.